In this quick video, I want to talk about three things. Number one is I want to talk about bathroom or, like morning routines. Number two is I want to talk about xenoestrogens and how they impact on us as blokes. And number three, I want to give a shameless plug for some awesome products that I use. So I just want to be really upfront about that, that I'm actually going to plug these products. So let's just talk bathroom routines. I'm just going to have a shave as we go. Now, all of us have a bathroom routine in the morning. Most of us include some, we have a shower, we might wash our hair, we might have a shave, and we probably put some aftershave or some kind of cologne or deodorant on as well. And the thing about that is that most of those products that we're using, or that most blokes are using, are full of toxic chemicals. And I mean, I find it amazing that that's the case, because I guess I've always thought that surely government regulations would mean that they couldn't put this crap in our products, but that's just not the case. So we as individuals need to be aware of what's going into our products. Now, if you haven't read in my book, I talk about some of these xenoestrogens, but the short version is xenoestrogens are chemical compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in our body. And as human beings, and particularly as men, we have a balance of hormones in our body that keeps us healthy and well. The problem is when our estrogen switch gets flicked, which is what xenoestrogens in these products do, it actually causes all these different effects in our bodies. And so things like putting on weight, developing man boobs, becoming more emotional, problems with our libido, problems with our erections, all that kind of stuff can happen when there's too much estrogen, not enough testosterone, and our system gets out of whack. So xenoestrogens are bad for us as blokes, and they're actually bad for our daughters, they're bad for our partners, you name it. Getting those things out of whack is not a good thing. And so these xenoestrogens are in products that we use every day, and that's kind of the big issue, is that these are products that we use every day, and so there's a cumulative effect. So for example, in your standard shampoos, anything with fragrance has chemicals called phthalates in it. And one of the scary things about fragrance is that companies can claim that it's a trade secret, and so they don't actually have to reveal what chemicals are in their fragrances. So you'll just see it listed as fragrance on the product, but often those things are hormone-disrupting. Things, the stuff that foams. Now, my shaving cream doesn't really foam that much, and that's because it doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate in it, which is another xenoestrogen. Another thing which we often find in many of our products, and again, this is things like hand washes and soaps, are parabens, another xenoestrogen. So this stuff is in all of our products, unless we choose to go all natural and non-toxic. And that's what I want to talk about. So how do you do that? Because it's, that's kind of, it seems difficult to find those products. So the ones that I use, and I'm just going to tell you the products that I use. So I use a bunch of products made by a company called Young Living. They are all natural, they're all non-toxic, well engineered, so they really work, but also they're just good for you. So the shave cream, they have a men's range called Shutran, and that's named after the oil blend of the scent which they use, which is all natural, sourced from plant-based stuff. So all natural plant-based essential oil, and it works great. So I use Shutran shave cream. Does a great job, keeps it nice and smooth, nourishes my skin, so that's good. Let me just grab a towel. Now, the other sort of stuff that most of us use every day, so after the shave, they actually have a Shutran Aftershave cream, which is fantastic. So I'm going to rinse my face off first, but that's what I use after that. and I just like rub it around. It's actually great for, you know, once you're getting older, for nourishing your skin. So right around the face, a bit on the neck, and wipe it off on my chest if there's any left. And a tiny bit, a tiny bit goes a long way. So I'm using about that much. I will just rub it in. So rub it around, wham, on it goes. One of the other things I like about the Shutran products is that they all have the same smell, so you're not having 27 different scents on you, and they're all natural. Another thing which I use in the morning is my deodorant. And here's another frightening thing, okay? So they've done some research, and I think I quote this in the book as well, but they did research on products like deodorants. Now, whatever you put on your body, it's going to get into your body. That's just a fact. This stuff is absorbed through your skin, especially deodorants. They go under your arms, into your system that way. And so I used a spray deodorant, well-known spray deodorant for years and years and years. I had no idea that I was basically spraying toxic chemicals onto my skin, into my body. Now, the research shows that those things get into your urine, so the phthalates in them get into your urine within 6 hours. So 1 minute you're putting this stuff on your body, 6 hours later you're peeing it out. So that's just frightening. And again, endocrine disrupting. So I use Young Living natural deodorants. This one's called Mountain Mint. Let me just flash that. But they've got some awesome ones. Again, highly engineered, so they do the job, but all natural ingredients in them. And finally, one other which I like, and that's the Shutran essential oil blend. This is a great one. It was designed by the guy who started Young Living, Gary Young, and it's designed for men, for women. So women absolutely love this scent. Again, all natural, and it's something that will actually support your testosterone and support your health as opposed to destroying it. So they've got a bunch of these. So there it is. Look, what we do every day really matters. And I guess I'm serious about this because I've realized now that I've been putting crap on my body and in my body for so many years. It's just time to stop, okay? And here's an option for you that I think is a good option. Now, what you choose to do in the end is totally up to you. But I recommend this stuff. I use it every day, and it's made a hell of a difference to my wellness, to my energy, to my testosterone levels, and all the things that means as well. So that's helped my fitness, it's helped my strength, it's helped my libido. So I couldn't be happier with that. Anyway, that's it from me. If you got any questions about this stuff, you want to talk further, contact me, okay? Just let me know, more than happy to talk. And I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you again soon. Bye.